and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok if it's not uploading videos for you. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, I will open up TikTok here, and when I open it up TikTok, I can hit the plus icon at the very bottom center here, and then I can tap the upload and say I just choose a random video to upload. If you go through this process and it's not uploading the video, say you hit next and you hit post, it's not actually posting, it's not uploading the actual video. There are a couple different reasons why. The first thing that you'll want to check is you want to go back out of here. Let's just exit out of here, exit out of here, exit out of here, and go to your profile at the bottom right there. And then we'll go to the three lines at the top right here, and then go to settings and privacy. Once we're in there, we'll just scroll down until you can see clear cache, and we'll just tap clear cache because we want to delete that. You can see it goes back down to 0 megabytes, so potentially it's a caching issue, and you can delete and clear all that cache. Now, the next thing that you want to try is to hop out of here and then just go into your app store. When you're in your app store, just type in TikTok, not TimTok, TikTok. And if it's not already updated, hit the update button because potentially you just need to update the app to get a fresh version of the app. Again, if that doesn't work, the next step that you can do is to try to fully delete the app. So tap and hold on it, hit remove, and then hit the delete app button. And then you can just go back into the App Store and reinstall the app. Now, the very last reason, sometimes if you're going through these steps and you try to upload a video on TikTok and it's just saving it to your drafts, the reason might be because you've been banned for uploading videos for a certain period of time. So potentially TikTok will ban you for, say, a day or a week, and it'll give you the ability to upload those videos, but just save them as drafts. You can't actually publish them and go live with those videos on the TikTok platform. So if that is the case, then you can go through steps to appeal that ban, or you can just wait until that ban is up. And then you'll be able to take those drafts and publish them so that they're on TikTok Live. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe. Thanks.